welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 11th of May, and now let's look at what is buzzing today. First, going into market buzz under universe, we'll be selecting stocks. And the stocks that we'll be talking about today is the Goldman Sachs Group. For the past 24 hours, there has been 301 news towards it, and open the sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive towards it, and the subjectivity is 34%, which means people are being rational towards it. In trend analysis, we can see the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 8.92%. Going into the chart, we can see this is a daily chart, and they're saying in short term, the RSI is overbought, which we'll get to it later. Looking at the chart, we can see the current price is above the 20 and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. 351 here is the pivot point. Going into the comment section, well, the RSI is above 70, it could mean either that the stock is in a lasting uptrend or just overbought and therefore bound to correct. Look for bearish divergence in this case. The MACD is positive and above its signal line, the configuration is positive. Moreover, the stock is trading above both its 20 and 50 days moving average at 344.5165 and 337.846. And finally, the Goldman Sachs has crossed above its upper daily Bollinger Band. And below, again, it's a series of support and resistance level and the last price when this article is published. Hope you like today's video. And if you like it, please don't forget to press the like for this video. And also, don't forget to follow our social media, Facebook and YouTube, Weibo, so you won't miss any of our video. And if you would like, don't forget to go on our website. There's a series of trading tools and information that we provide for you that will be very helpful on your trading journey. Meanwhile, have a good trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.